some catastic treats. We're cooking up a good time with the Cooking with Cakey Kitchen. Come join Gabby and the gang. Meow! Let's see our ingredients. Inside you will find 1 kitchen set. We're gonna make it together. 1 cakey, 1 mug, 2 shakers, 1 pot, 1 pan, 1 plate, 1 spork, 1 butter knife, 1 spatula, 1 ladle, 1 milk carton, 1 pasta box, 2 bread slices, 1 pancake, 1 fried egg, 1 Swiss cheese slice, 1 bread spread, 1 tomato slice, 1 set of pickle slices, 1 cracked egg, 1 cookbook, and a generous sprinkling of catastic fun. Okay, let's get cooking. If you need any help setting it up, please ask your parents or an adult around. Let's start with the fridge frame. Connect the side panel with the center piece. You should hear the click. Then the other side. Great work! Add the cat rat and the Gabby stickers in the marked spaces. Fit the fridge chip art into the rear fridge panel. And attach it to the frame you just set up. Now slot it into the base of the fridge. Now fix the kitchen set legs into their base. Connect the base of the pantry into the fridge on one side and the legs on the other. Slide the pantry back down the guides. Now attach the front cover of the pantry, like this. Now, get the platform top and fix it over the frame that you just built. You've been doing well, but now is not the time for a cat nap. Join the back pillars into the platform. Clip the front and back of the headboard in. Then the hooks. Now fasten the headboard to the pillars. Secure the top of the cookbook stand to the base. Fix the cookbook stand to the platform. Then the faucet and the spout. Here's the fridge door. Fit the chip art and press the handle in, like this. Now stick the door in, like this. Let's also fold and make the milk carton. And pasta box. Amazing! Your Cooking with Cakey Kitchen set is done. Today's special, one good time, coming right up. Now that we've built the kitchen set, let's set things up. First, the batteries. We need 3 AAAs. Cat-tastic! Let's switch it on. The salt and pepper shakers on the side of the countertop. Put the pot on. That's right, the stove. And the plate on the drying rack. The pan, spatula, mug, and ladle on the hooks. And the egg, milk carton, and pasta box in the fridge. Place Cakey on the cookbook stand. Are you ready for this? Let's bakey with Cakey. I'm gonna show you how. So much fun to cook up. Where do we start? press, Cakey. Sprinkle-rific! Want to grow the magic of the Cakey Kitchen? Add in the Bakey with Cakey oven. So many more treats in store! More goodies from the world of Gabby's dollhouse are coming soon.